Welcome to this exclusive 7-minute culinary journey where we dive deep into the heart of delicious home cooking. We begin our grand marathon with the star of the show, our signature spicy chicken recipe. Watch very closely as we prepare these fresh, succulent chicken drumsticks. The most vital part of this process is using a sharp steel fork to pierce the meat deeply from every single angle. This technique isn't just for texture. It creates tiny invisible channels that allow our rich, fiery marinade to penetrate right down to the bone, ensuring that every single bite you take is an absolute explosion of heat and flavor. We are mixing a potent blend of dark red chili flakes, freshly crushed garlic, and aromatic ginger paste. As the chicken hits the bubbling hot oil in the pan, listen to that magnificent sizzle. We fry it slowly on a medium flame, making sure the skin transforms into a shatteringly crisp, golden brown crust while the inside remains incredibly tender and dripping with natural juices. This is the true art of frying chicken to perfection. Now let us shift our attention to something truly royal, our saffron basmati rice. We have hand-selected the finest, extra-long grain basmati rice, which has been carefully washed and soaked for hours. As the water begins to boil, we infuse it with pure premium saffron threads. You can see the water instantly changing into a beautiful, glowing golden liquid. The aroma filling the kitchen right now is floral, earthy, and sweet. This rice is light, fluffy, and truly represents the king of all rice dishes. To accompany this royal saffron rice, we have our special fish fry. Scaling the fish is a delicate art, and we perform it with maximum precision to keep the skin perfectly intact. After a quick marination in our secret blend of coastal herbs, we deep fry the fish until it reaches a legendary crunchy texture. The contrast between the soft, fragrant saffron rice and the salty, crispy fried fish is a culinary dream come true for any food lover. Now, let's keep the energy high as we move into the next phase of our cooking marathon. Moving forward in our epic 7-minute feast, let's stir things up with our vibrant vegetable noodle fusion. This is not just any ordinary noodle dish. It is a fast-paced celebration of fresh, crunchy textures and vibrant colors. We are taking the freshest, crunchiest cabbage and bright sun-ripened carrots, carefully shredding them into fine, elegant pieces that will cook perfectly in the intense heat of the pan. In a scorching hot wok, we toss the springy noodles with these colorful vegetables, adding our signature dark savory sauce that coats every single strand of the noodles until they glisten with flavor. To make this dish even more satisfying and packed with protein, we are incorporating our special egg recipe. Whether you like the eggs, scrambled directly into the noodles for a creamy finish, or served as a soft-boiled delight, right on top with a runny yolk, they add a rich, buttery texture that balances the spicy crunch of the vegetables perfectly. Every single forkful of these noodles is a symphony of different textures and deep, savory umami flavors that will keep you coming back for more. Now, let's explore the wonderful world of ultimate snacks and crispies, delights that everyone loves. We are taking large, earthy potatoes and slicing them with maximum care into paper-thin, almost translucent circles. The goal is to recreate that iconic, world-famous Lay's-style chip, crunch right in your own kitchen using fresh ingredients. Watch them dance and bubble in hot oil as the moisture evaporates. And they turn into perfectly flat, golden discs of pure joy. But we aren't stopping at thin chips. We are also cutting fresh, starchy potatoes into long, thick, rustic wedges and classic, skinny French fries for that restaurant-style experience. When you take these hot, salty fries and dip them into our specially prepared tangy and spicy secret sauce, it is pure magic for your taste buds. Every bite is a balance of salt, spice, and the soft fluffiness of the potato inside. And for a unique, tropical twist that you absolutely have to try, we have our raw green, banana. This is a traditional secret that many people overlook. Slice the green bananas into long, elegant strips and fry them until they become even crunchier and more savory than any potato chip you have ever tasted in your life. The natural starch of the banana creates a unique bite that is both satisfying and healthy. We season them with just a pinch of sea salt and black pepper to let the natural flavor shine through. This is the ultimate snack platter for any occasion. From a movie night to a big family gathering, every second of this frying process is crucial to get that perfect snap when you bite into them. Just look at that golden color and listen to the crunch. We are making sure every piece is fried to absolute perfection before we move to the next step. every chip, every fry, And finally, we are reaching the grand conclusion of our massive 7-minute food marathon with our homemade golden biscuits. These are not your average biscuits. They are buttery, flaky, and crafted with love to melt on your tongue the very moment you take a bite. Just look at the beautiful layers of dough, perfectly baked to a light golden hue. The contrast between the sweet, juicy pineapple slices we prepared earlier and these crumbly, salty sweet biscuits is the absolute perfect grand finale to this epic culinary adventure. We have covered every single detail today, from the first deep pierce of the sharp fork in the spicy chicken to the very last tiny crumb of the golden biscuit. This entire 7-minute journey has been a true celebration of different tastes, wonderful smells, and incredible textures that you can easily recreate in your own kitchen. We hope every single second of this video has inspired you to get into your kitchen, grab your tools, and start creating your own masterpieces with passion, creativity, and speed. Remember, cooking is a fast-paced art, and you are the master artist in total control of every single flavor and spice. Don't be afraid to try something new. Keep experimenting with new spices. Keep trying these fast techniques, and most importantly, keep enjoying every single delicious bite of these magnificent recipes. Thank you so much for staying with us, for your incredible patience, and for watching until the very last second of this long 7-minute food marathon. Your support and love for food mean everything to us and keep us motivated to bring you even more delicious content in the future. Happy cooking to all of you. Enjoy your incredible meal with your family, and stay tuned for more high-energy food adventures coming your way very soon. This is the end of our journey today, but it is just the beginning of your very own cooking adventure. Bon appétit, everyone. Enjoy every single mouthful, and goodbye until we meet again in the next video.